You will now be directed to your home page. You may search your desired product from the available search box. You can also search your product from Shop by category. Click on Shop by category and select your required product. Let's select desktop as an example. List of all the products with the matching title will be listed in the search page. Market may be sorted by the filter as shown in the screen. Various filters are available on the left hand side of the screen. Under Administrative filter, you can see Intent of Buying and select Consignee option. Choose Intent of Buying if objective is to go for bid or RA. On choosing the option, you will be able to browse through all products in the market without any restriction. Moreover, you can edit or add quantities and consignees while creating bid. Hence, you can start with single consignee and single quantity. Please note, in case buyer selects bid or RA as intent of buying, then they will be asked to select a value for all golden parameters in the category. Choose PAC option if you want to buy a specific OEM product. Click on Select Consignee. This will allow you to enter the number of quantity required, and you can also select different consignees for the same order. You may also apply various filters such as year of experience with government. This filter will enable you to see the seller having required number of years as experience. To make procurement from MSE seller, you can click on MSE filter. System will show all the registered MSE seller. To make procurement from startup sellers, you can click on Startup filter. System will show all the registered startup sellers. To reduce the delivery period and improve the order processing, products can be searched by seller's location. Location can be searched by PIN code, district and state-wise. Products can now be chosen from highly rated sellers by seller rating filter. Buyer may also apply financial filters to search sellers by annual turnover. Make and model filter is available for PAC buying. Product specification filters allows you to search the product as per the required specification. There are two types of parameter listed under product specification filter, that is golden parameter and others. List with yellow color border on left side are defined as golden parameters. Golden parameters refer to the general specification available for products which impacts its pricing. If you choose a value for golden parameter, only products with same value or above will appear on the search list. After applying all desired filters, we can see our filtered market as shown in the screen. Our purchase amount is more than rupees 25,000, thus the product has to be compared. You must compare 3 OEMs, that is original equipment manufacturers. Click on Compare. System will prompt you to select the consignee location and quantity to be delivered. Click on Add to Compare. As soon as you select 3 OEMs, you can see the Start Comparison tab is activated. Click on Start Comparison tab. Comparison screen will list specification of the comparable items in the same screen. Select the product you want to add to the cart as per the requirement. Click on Add to Cart. GEM recommends selection of allowed values for each of the golden parameters for defining your bid. please go through each golden parameter and select the allowed values. Verify and select your parameters. Click on Proceed. You can proceed further after selecting their values or can use below option to select value accordingly for the remaining golden parameters. For all unselected golden parameters like allow any values, will consider all values for remaining golden parameters. Choose the selected product values, will consider selected product valued as your choice for remaining golden parameters. Manually choose values will take you back to the previous screen to select parameters values manually. For reference, let's choose the selected product values as the eligible values. Click on Proceed. Now in this screen you can verify and select your parameters and click on Proceed. Click on Confirm. After adding the product into the cart, you will be able to see the comparison sheet. You can also download the comparison sheet. Click on Proceed to checkout. Click on Bid and OK to proceed. Click on the product name to view the technical specifications of the product you had selected. Please note that you cannot change the technical specifications here. In case you want different technical specification, you need to again search for your product and repeat the entire process. Click on Save and Continue. Click on the product name. You can view the consignee and quantity details that you had filled in earlier. Also, by clicking the option as shown on the screen, an Excel sheet can be downloaded containing the name, address and other details of the consignees already created by the primary user. If required, you may also add other consignees who are not in the list and can be mapped later. If it is not required, you may continue with the same quantity and consignee location and click on Save. You will receive a pop-up message asking if you want to save the consignee list. Click on OK to proceed. Click on Continue. Now select your bid and date and time. Please note that bid can be floated for minimum of 7 days and maximum of 21 days. Select your bid and date and time. Bid life cycle. It is fixed to 90 days, so buyer has to finalize the bid order within bid life cycle. Otherwise, bid will get expired. It will be calculated from the bid publish date. Select bid offer validity. Seller offer will be valid for the duration specified in the bid offer validity. Bid to RA. While creating bid on GEM, buyer shall have the provision to select bid to RA option. If this option is selected by the buyer at the time of bid creation, sellers would be required to submit their technical and commercial bids before bid closure. After completion of technical evaluation by the buyer, reverse auction would be conducted amongst first 50% of the technically qualified bidders, arranged in the order of price from lowest to highest. Number of sellers eligible for participating in RA would be rounded off to next higher integer value. If number of technically qualified bidders is odd, example, if 7 bids are technically qualified, then RA will be conducted amongst L1 to L4. In case number of technically qualified bidders are 2, RA will be between both without any elimination. You may fill in the participant eligibility criteria and additional criteria like average annual turnover, experience with government, average annual turnover of OEM, all these details to be verified by the buyer at the time of technical evaluation. If you want any document from the seller, click on Yes and mark against the option for the required document. MSE and a startup may also be exempted from the turnover and experience with government as per the requirement. Click on Save to continue. Click on Yes if you want to request EMD, earnest money deposit, from the seller. EMD is allowed only for bid value greater than 25 lakhs. The role of advisory bank is to verify the SFMS code of the EMD and EPBG during bid verification of the seller. So you are advised to select any bank and seller may choose any bank account for EPBG and EMD. EMD percentage should be between 1 to 5% of the estimated price. Click on Yes again for EPBG if required. EPBG is allowed only for bid value greater than 30 lakh for products. EPBG percentage should be between 2 to 10% of estimated price. Fill in the mandatory details such as advisory bank, EPBG percentage, etc. If you don't want EMD or EPBG, you may click on No and Save. If splitting of quantity is required, you can opt for splitting. Here, provide the number of sellers. Please note that sellers other than L1 have to match the L1 price before order placement. If not required, select No. Select Yes to provide purchase preference to MSE. Maximum 5 members are allowed as of now. Buyer ought to give an opportunity to MSE seller for such bids. Such opportunity will available to top 5 MSE sellers who have participated in the bid and their offered prices are within 15% price range of non-MSE L1 seller. If not required, click on No and Save. On the Terms and Condition page, you will find special terms and conditions for the specific category of product. Under Additional Terms and Conditions, you will find the number of terms and conditions. You will also find an edit icon beside each of the terms and conditions. Clicking on the edit icon, you will find a number of clauses in the drop-down option. You may choose any of the clauses and proceed further. Follow the same process again and select other clauses if required, or you may also delete the clauses if it is not required. Click on Submit. You will receive a message stating that bid or RA clauses have been saved successfully. Click on OK to proceed. Click on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions. As shown on the screen, bid document is now successfully created. Buyer may download the same and review. Sample of bid document is shown on the screen. Click on Verify OTP and publish. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Verify. Bid has been successfully published. Here you can see your bid details. If you want to cancel or extend the bid, you may click on the bid number and extend or cancel as per your requirement. Watch next related video.